Welcome student, this is video first of chapter 11 line segment ray and line from RS. So this is geometry part here. First we define point. What is a point? A point is a mark of position. This is a small dot. Means a point does not have any length breadth. Simple point. Next is line segment. What line segment? A and B, let A and B are 2 points. Then a straight path from A to B, A and B points, 2 points, then straight path from A to B is a line segment. It is denoted as, this is the symbol of line segment. Path which join A and B, straight path is called line segment. It can be measured. It has a fixed length, can be measured 2 endpoint, it has 2 endpoint, definite length. Next is ray. A ray has only one endpoint, means it has a starting point but no ending point. Start from here but no ending point. We can extend it endlessly in one direction. This symbol shows that its length is not fixed. So it has no definite length. This is B point at any point the ray B. So we denote it as this. Ray AB is not equal to BA. Ray AB is not equal to BA. Okay. If here is B and here is A, then we can write it BA. So these both are not equal. Here starting point is A, ending point no, and here starting point is B. So these two rays are different. Next is your line. Line segment extend endlessly in both the direction, both side arrow. It has no fixed length. We can extend it endlessly from both the direction. It has no end point, not definite length, no fixed length. We can't measure a line. Then next is our intersecting line. Intersecting line. Let two line, if there is a point, common point, two line, there is a common point between two lines, then we say that two lines are intersect. This is a common point which lie in this line AB, this is PQ, and this is your common point O, which is at PQ also and AB also. This is called intersecting lines. Two lines may be intersect. Then parallel lines. If no point of given, if two line does not have a common point, they does not intersect and they have equal distance at every part, the line which never meet, you can extend these endlessly and they never meet at any point, they don't have any common point, is called parallel line, and the distance between parallel line is always equal. Distance between parallel line is always equal. If 3 cm distance apart, then here also it will be 3 cm. Next is your concurrent point. Concurrent point. When three or more lines pass through the same common point, 3 or more lines. If two lines intersect, then intersecting lines meet at a single point. If 3 and more lines, L, M, N, 3 lines intersect at a common point, is called concurrent line, and this is point of concurrence. point of congruent. Then collinear point. Collinear points. If 3 or more points lie in a single straight line, 3 or more points, this A, B, D, C, 4 points lie on a straight line. These are called collinear points. When two line meets, they form a line segment, but more than three or more than 3 lines lie on a single line, straight line, then these are called collinear points. So these are the geometrical points which you have to write down as an introduction. This is the difference between line segment, ray and line. Line segment, ray and line. These points, as an introduction, you have to write down this complete. You can write it as a box also, or one by one. First line segment, then ray, then line. Okay. Then we will move to exercise 1A. 1A, first question. Name all the line segment in each of the following figure. A figure is given. We have to write down the name of line segment. This is the figure XYZ. You have to name all the line segment. You have to write name of all the line segment. Exercise 11A, first question. Name all the line segment. First you have to make figure. Neatly you have to make a figure with scale, pencil. Okay. Then name of line segment. First is XY. Put the symbol of line segment, and then YZ, symbol of line segment. Okay. Like this you have to do parts. A, D, B, C, E. Name of the line segment. First is AD, then AB, AC, AE, then this one DB, BC and CE. 7 line segment. Total 7 line segment. There is written, write the name of line segment. So you no need to write down how many line segments are there. You have to write name only, AD, AB, AC, and put the symbol of line segment. Okay. That's all for this video. This is your homework. Introduction. You have to write down the introduction, these points, and then only first question you have to do. Draw the figure neatly with pencil and scale, and then write the name of line segment. All 3 parts you have to do. That's all for this video. Stay home, stay safe.